Hey friends, welcome back to We Eat Cook Bake. It's a new video here and today we are making a cashew dip. A cashew dip is a Tex-Mex pasta. It's like a dip inspired from the Texian and Mexican cuisine. So it's usually made with queso cheese, but we make it in vegan, whole food, plant-based, without oil and without dairy, so everyone can enjoy them, even lactose intolerant people. So we prepared this dip with cashews, but you can also use sunflower seeds if you don't like to use cashews or they're too expensive for you. Sunflower seeds are amazing, they're full of fat, healthy fat, and you can blend them creamy like cashews, but they take a little longer to be creamy. This queso dip is gluten-free and dairy-free, and it's full of flavor, so it's perfect for movie night or for a snack or anytime you crave a good dip. So now let's make this amazing queso dip. For this, soak the cashews first, or the sunflower seeds, depends on what you're using. And the sunflower seeds you have to soak a little longer because they're a little bit firmer than cashews. And then, so now add all the ingredients except the tomatoes in a high-speed blender and blend until it is really creamy. When it's really creamy and you don't have any pieces left, then you can add them to a pot and heat it up. Don't forget to stir it that it doesn't burn on the bottom. When the cheese sauce, the dip, gets a little firm, and then it's ready. So it takes around maybe 2 minutes. And then you can add the tomatoes and stir it in. Let it cool for a little bit and serve it for your quesadillas or burrito, or just with some nacho cheese, with some tortilla chips. We love them even with fries.